So I bought my gaming and video editing PC. Let's see what's changed a year later. Since January, I've done a couple of things to make my computer more productive and efficient. One of 4 things I've upgraded is my CPU cooler. This has helped the acoustics of my system a lot. It has allowed the voiceovers you guys hear in my videos to be a whole lot quieter. This particular CPU cooler I have is the Cooler Master Hyper 103. Not only does it sound great, but it keeps my CPU like an igloo. The next thing I've done is installed a custom braided 24-pin connector. This has made the aesthetics of my PC look awesome as it matches the blue and black theme of my build. It's also made cable management a lot easier as the 30cm extension has made it really easy. The third upgrade I've done is a fan controller. This sits in your 5.25-inch bay in your front panel and gives you total control of your fans. The one I have here is the NZXC Sentry Mesh. Using this, you can make your PC's acoustics go from this to this. The last thing I have upgraded is my USB 3.0 capability. Usually, this case has 6 USB ports, but with this hub, I've gained an extra 4 ports. This saves me also from going behind my computer to find the obnoxious port to plug my memory stick into. So thanks guys for tuning into this week's video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want to go the extra mile, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.